Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious pepper steak. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. We're going to begin by making our marinade. To a bowl, we're going to add our soy sauce. I'm using 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of low sodium. So add it in. Along with that, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon of maggi jugo, 1.5 tablespoons of honey, or you can use sugar. This is just to balance the soy sauce. 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. I'm using spicy. 1.5 tablespoons of black pepper, half a teaspoon of crushed pepper. Along with that, 2 minced garlic cloves. And we're going to be grating a piece of ginger. It's about 1 finger thick, half an inch. And we're just going to give it a good mix. And here you can taste it and see if you need to adjust it. This to me is always perfect. Okay, once we have our marinade, we're going to be adding 1.5 pounds of steak. I'm using flank, but just make sure to cut it into thin strips. I just coat it with the marinade. Now we're just going to cover it and allow it to marinate overnight or for at least 30 minutes. Okay, so here I already have my steak that I marinated last night. It is ready, so now we can take it to the stove. Okay, now to my wok over medium-high heat, I'm going to be heating up a little bit of oil. Okay, once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our meat. And we're going to cook it for a couple minutes. Okay, so after a couple minutes, the meat is going to release the marinade along with its juice. So we're just going to remove it. This is what's going to be our sauce at the end. So just make sure that you remove all of it. Okay, so you should have removed about 1 cup of a marinade in its broth. So we're just going to now cook the meat for about 2 more minutes. Okay, and after a couple minutes, our meat should be fully cooked. And it should be nice and brown. So now we're just going to remove it from the wok. And add a little more oil. And here we're going to get ready to cook our bell peppers along with the onion. So just cook them for about 5 minutes. And I'm just going to season my vegetables with a little garlic salt. And now just allow them to cook. After 5 minutes, our vegetables should be done. So now we're going to return the meat along with the juice. And we're going to be making a slurry with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of water. Just mix it and just add it to the mix. And just mix it up together. Give it a couple minutes. Okay, and after a couple minutes, the sauce should have thickened up. And our pepper steak is done. So now we can get ready to serve. Okay, and I just like to serve it over a bed of white rice. And now we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. It's quick and very delicious. And I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, so delicious. It's perfect. The steak is nice and tender and so flavorful. So good. Now this is not spicy, but of course you can always make it spicy by adding more chili flakes. But this right here is perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it at home in my super easy and delicious pepper steak. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.